So hello guys. Well, I just decided to record this vlog. I actually have a good news coming up for our channel, and I just felt I should say it. Oh, you're gonna be seeing more of vlogs like this where I will be talking to you about my journey and my life experience as a person. So I want you guys to stay tuned. It's gonna be a fantastic journey, actually. Yeah, it's gonna be a fantastic journey. Yeah, so just to give you guys a brief hint of what I'm talking about, we're gonna be moving entirely to another country. Okay, so for a while, if you have been following most of my videos, I stay in Nigeria, right? Yeah, most of my videos are done in Nigeria, and I'm really glad we're able to transition into another phase of this whole journey. So I want you guys to stay glued, and today I'm actually going to take you through the streets of Nigeria. Yep, streets of Nigeria, Abuja to be precise. Yeah, Abuja to be precise. So yeah, what else can I say? Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. So see you guys in the next video. Or should I say next video? Nope. See you guys soon. All right. So this is me just casually stepping out of the house. I'm walking. Yeah, as you all know, going on the bike is another means of transportation here in Nigeria. So, yep, I hopped on the bike, and since I have to be there at the embassy on time, so this is me just going on the bike. All right, so enjoy the view of the bike. Okay. So this bike man was running like crazy. Like, this man wants to kill me. I literally had to, in my mind, I had to be praying so I won't die while on this bike. If you have been living in Nigeria, you will know how these bike men drive. Like, they drive crazy, like very, very crazy. So I had to be praying in my mind not to die early. But it was a nice experience though. So whenever you come to Nigeria, you can try something like this. Yeah, so I dropped down from the bike, and as the broke boy that I am, this is me trying to withdraw some money from the POS. Money. So yeah, trying to withdraw some money here, and trying to get some little things sorted out. Yep. After withdrawing at the POS, I had to walk to get a bus or a taxi. And then living in Abuja, you know how difficult that is. So I had to stand at the junction and wave at different cars before I get a taxi that will take me to the embassy. Yeah, we finally got a taxi, and we headed to the embassy. It was quite a hectic one, had to drag and push and fight. Jeez, living in Abuja is so hectic. It's never easy at all. It's never easy. Well, we're in the car and we're having a smooth sail. And one thing to consider here in Abuja, there's always a lot of traffic. And the funny part about this traffic is you don't get to see what is the cause of the traffic when you get to, when you go past beyond the point of where the traffic was. So, funny. Abuja is just crazy. A person that gets strong mind is stay for Abuja. So guys, let's keep going on the street together.
Just in case you're curious to know where the heck I'm walking to, I missed a turn where I was supposed to drop and I have to start walking back. So there's this junction where I'm supposed to order an Uber that will take me to the embassy and I missed the junction, so I have to start walking back. But enjoy the walk with me, even if my eyes they see shaky Pro Max. You know how hot the sun can be in Abuja, and then having to walk under that hot sun, like for several meters, just to get a car. It be small shaggy. So join me in this shaggy. Enjoy, guys. Keep enjoying. Finally got into the junction and I'm currently waiting for my Uber to arrive. It took me quite some time, about 10 minutes. Yeah, about 10 minutes for the Uber to arrive. I know that's not the Uber. Yeah.
Casually just enjoying myself, feeling like a big boy. At the back of the seat, Tim is staring at the camera. See fine boy. See fine boy. Fine boy. Man. Soft life good though. Soft life good. Man. Just enjoying myself, okay? Nothing much. I'm going to be taking you to the streets of Abuja. I'm going to be showing you some places, so just enjoy the view. Abuja is really fine and nice. See, it has these. I think it's one of the places that has these high-rise buildings, skyscrapers, and so. Even if our skyscraper is no skyscraper for Nigeria, at least we shall get skyscraper for Abuja. Fine places as well. Yeah, so we're going. Today is the day whereby I collect my visa, so I'm at the embassy. Let's see what happens. Got it, guys. We got it. We got it. We got it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo. Such a relief. Such a very, very big relief, honestly. So excited right now. Like, I'm then super, super excited, to be honest. Yes, thank you, man. Yes, man. Alright, so as of now, we're going to be heading on our way to Kaduna. Okay? Kaduna. So let's journey on this journey and let's see how it goes. Okay? Let's see how it goes. It's been an awesome one so far.